All right, so our formula changes slightly with the pyramid, kind of like it does with the volume. Remember, volume of the pyramid is 1/3 the volume of the prism. Surface area kind of has a similar thing going on here, but we have a 1/2. It is 1/2 times L. We haven't had an L in our formula. Let's look at what L represents. Look in the diagram. It's that side of the pyramid, okay, and it tells you down here that that's slant height. P is still the perimeter of the base. Big B is still the area of the base. Now notice in our surface area formula, we only have one big B because we've only got one base. Okay, you don't have two bases in a pyramid. You have one base and however many sides. All right, so same thing. We're going to find the, let's do this for me as well. Go and mark out that 1/2 LP and just put the LA, the lateral area. I mean, it's the same thing, okay? I just think that it's kind of confusing the way that it's written there. So let's find the lateral area. It is 1/2 times the slant height. The slant height is the height on the side of the pyramid. So what is the height on the side of that pyramid? 11.7. Times the perimeter. The perimeter here is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. It's a square, isn't it? So 1/2 times 11.7 times 32. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32. So 187.2 is our lateral area. Right, so wake up. All right, area of our base. What shape is our base? Square. So area of the base, or area of the square, side times side, side squared. 64. So our surface area is our lateral area plus our base. 187.2 plus 64. 251.2 meters squared. Okay, I'm going to skip number 2 because it's pretty much the same as number 1. Let's look at number 3. Number 3, same shape, right? It's still a square pyramid. Our base is a square. It's definitely a pyramid. So let's start trying to find our lateral area. Our lateral area is 1/2 times the slant height, the height on the side of the pyramid. Do we have the height on the side of the pyramid? No, we don't. But you're always going to be able to find it. You have enough information to find it. It is not a mystery. You just got to get there. So the 3 that they give us is the height of the pyramid itself. Now, the fact that they draw a right angle there is a little bit of the giveaway. So I'm going to add a couple segments in here. So I've drawn right here. Okay, now since this is it's not slanted or anything funky going on there, that height in the middle, that 3 feet, is exactly in the middle of that pyramid. So this short segment that I've drawn on the square, what should be the length of that? It's right in the middle. 8. The whole side is 16. It's right in the middle, so it is 8. Can you see that I've drawn a right triangle in here? Now, a right angle, now it's on the other side, but if it's a right angle over there, it's a right angle right beside it. So we've got the 2 legs. We need the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is that length or that height on the side. So let's set up our Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared plus 8 squared equals, I'm going to label it with an L because that's what it is. It's the slant height, L squared. So 9 plus 64 is 73. That's not the slant height. I gotta take the square root. Now 73 is not a perfect square, so I'm just gonna leave the square root on. I don't want to have to carry that decimal through my problem. I'm just gonna leave the square root of 73 on there. So that is my slant height. So 1/2 times the square root of 73 times the perimeter of my base. I got 16, and it's a square, so 4 times 16 is the perimeter of that base. 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16. I just don't want to have to write 16 4 times. So 1/2 times 4 times 16. I don't want to multiply out that square root yet. I do not want decimals messing up my problem. So multiply everything but the square root. 1/2 times 4 times 16, that's 32. So we got 32 times the square root of 73. We're just not going to multiply it out yet. So that's our lateral area. Area of our base. Our base is a square. It has a side length of 16. So 16 squared. 256. We add the lateral area and the area of the base to get our surface area. So 256 plus 32 square root of 73. I'm finally going to put that square root in there because I'm ready for my final answer. 529.4 square feet.